Check out the brand new 2026 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend in stunning Oxford white. This versatile 5-passenger SUV features a powerful 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, a massive 13.2-inch liquid crystal display touchscreen, and heated front seats to keep you comfortable year-round. It also comes equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a power driver's seat with lumbar support for those long drives. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Are you ready to elevate your Fraser Valley adventures? Whether you're commuting through the heart of Abbotsford or heading across the bridge to Mission, the 2026 Bronco Sport Big Bend is built for our local lifestyle. The Oxford white exterior looks sharp parked near Mill Lake or headed toward the local trails, while the medium light smoked truffle interior offers a refined space for your passengers. This model features an acoustic laminate windshield and active grille shutters for a smooth, efficient ride. You'll find incredible utility with the Liftgate with flip-up glass and the Molly strap system, perfect for securing your gear for a day out in the valley. For our wet West Coast weather, this Bronco Sport includes floor liners for the front and rear without carpet mats, plus a cargo mat to keep your interior protected from the elements. One question we hear often is, what technology features make the Bronco Sport easier to drive every day? This vehicle is loaded with functional tech like intelligent access, hill start assist, and the advanced track stability system. You also get the peace of mind that comes with the blind spot information system with cross traffic and a lane keeping system. The pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and rear parking sensors add an extra layer of confidence when navigating busy parking lots or local streets. On those chilly mornings, use the remote vehicle start and let the electronic automatic temperature control get the cabin just right. With the rotary gear shift dial, dual illuminated visors, and light-emitting diode headlamps, every detail is designed for your comfort and safety. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.